Hello, international community. Can you see this? Can you see this? La ilaha illallah is under feet of the Chinese people. The Chinese people laying down the La ilaha illallah on the floor of the Chinese restaurant in China. Protecting Islam, not only the job of the Uyghur people, but it is job of the whole international community. Where are you, Indonesian Muslims? Where are you, Malaysian Muslims? Where are you, Arab Muslims? Where are you, Brunei Muslims? Are you not Muslim? You are not protecting the faith of La ilaha illallah. I mean, now, on the whole, the Muslim world at critical task. La ilaha illallah, as you know, that is the most important and tawheed. That is, I mean, that's the symbol of Islam. But unfortunately, today, La ilaha illallah is on the ground of the Chinese restaurant, and the Chinese people stopping at it. I mean, are you not a Muslim? Are you not, the protecting the basic, what they call is the most important tawhid of Islam? Can you see this clearly? If you're not clearly, you go to my Facebook and you can watch it from there. Today, the La ilaha illallah is under feet of Chinese people. Today, the dignity of the Muslim world under feet of Chinese Muslim. For the Chinese. Now, the La ilaha illallah, the dignity of Islam under feet of the Chinese people. Protecting the Islam, not only the job of the Uyghur people, but it's job of all the Muslim world. I mean, why you keep silent? Why you keep silent when the La ilaha illallah? Bangladeshi Muslim, where are you? Pakistani Muslim, where are you? Indonesian Muslim, where are you? Bangladeshi Muslim, where are you? Today, our dignity, the La ilaha illallah under feet of Chinese people. This is, underground or on the floor of Chinese restaurant. You should accountable for, this in the hereafter as well. We have failed to protect, the Tawheed. Be able to protect what they call is the dignity of the Islam. We didn't say, you can ignore the Uyghur people. You can ignore the Turkestan. You can ignore the human rights issues. But how come you can ignore the dignity of Islam? How come you ignore, the La ilaha illallah? We want to call the international community. We should stand together. We should save Islam. We should save the La ilaha illallah from the underfeet of Chinese people. Did you see? This is not masjid. This is the restaurant in China. La ilaha illallah is under feet of Chinese people. That is our collective responsibility to save Islam. Our what they call is the basic, duty of protecting of Islam. Choice is yours: save Islam or they ignore the Islam. I want to call international community. Muslims in Europe, Muslims in UK, Muslims all around the world. We should, and protecting dignity of Islam, we should protect the La ilaha illallah.